we're diving deep into the stunning 2025 Peugeot 408. A car that's redefining style, performance, and tech in its segment. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just exploring your next ride, this review covers everything from its bold exterior to its refined interior. Buckle up and let's take a closer look. Engine and powerhouse. The 2025 Peugeot 408 comes equipped with a powerful yet efficient engine lineup. Whether you opt for the turbocharged petrol or the plug-in hybrid variant, the 408 delivers smooth acceleration and responsive handling. The hybrid model produces around 225 horsepower, seamlessly blending electric and combustion power for optimal performance and fuel economy. Peugeot's engineering ensures quiet operation, reduced emissions, and improved torque, especially at lower RPMs. Front lights and bumper. Up front, the 408 is a visual showstopper. Its signature LED matrix headlights with sleek DRLs, daytime running lights, extend toward the aggressive front grille. The chiseled bumper adds to the sporty aesthetics, with aerodynamic curves that not only look great but also aid airflow. The lion claw-inspired lighting theme gives the 408 an unmistakable road presence, especially at night. Wheels. Peugeot has gone bold with wheel design. The 408 features 17 to 20-inch alloys, depending on the trim. These wheels feature geometric styling, aerodynamic inserts, and low-resistance performance tires that help with grip and economy. Their dual-tone design perfectly complements the body contours. Side glass and profile. The 408 features a sloping fastback profile with a coupe-like roofline that blends style and aerodynamics. The frameless side windows, accented with glossy black trim, give the car a premium appearance. Sculpted side creases flow smoothly from the front fenders to the rear, enhancing the car's length and character. Rear design. From the back, the Peugeot 408 stands out with its high-set LED tail lights and a bold black rear fascia. The rear spoiler, dual-tone bumper, and centrally aligned Peugeot badge give it a futuristic look. The claw-like tail lights and sculpted lines reflect the car's athletic stance. Doors and handles. Flush door handles that pop out upon approach maintain the car's sleek side profile. Smart keyless entry is standard across most trims, and the handles are color-matched with subtle chrome accents for a more upmarket feel. Interior. Dashboard and LCD. The dashboard of the 2025 Peugeot 408 is a high-tech masterpiece. The iCockpit layout remains central, placing a 3D digital instrument cluster above the compact steering wheel for optimal eye-line viewing. The floating 10-inch infotainment LCD touchscreen dominates the center console, equipped with the latest iConnect advanced system. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, satellite navigation, voice control, and even remote vehicle functions via smartphone. Beneath the main screen are customizable touch-sensitive iToggles, offering quick access to your favorite functions. Ambient lighting runs subtly across the dashboard, adding a calming effect for night driving. Materials include soft-touch plastics, piano black panels, and aluminum accents, blending luxury with functionality. Side doors. Each door panel is wrapped in a mix of Alcantara, soft leather, and accent stitching. The upper trims come with ambient LED strips along the door lining. Door pockets are spacious, with ample room for bottles and essentials. The speaker grills, part of the premium focal sound system, are neatly integrated into the doors. The center console is minimalistic yet practical. The gear selector is now a compact electronic toggle, freeing up space. Adjacent to it lies the start/stop button, which lights up in a pulsating glow as you enter the cabin. Cup holders, storage trays, and a wireless charging pad sit neatly between the seats, ensuring practicality doesn't compromise elegance. Front seat. Peugeot's signature compact steering wheel comes leather-wrapped with multifunction controls. It's designed to improve driving posture and give an unobstructed view of the digital cluster. Paddle shifters are integrated for the sportier trims. The front seats are ergonomically designed with adjustable lumbar support, heating, ventilation, and memory functions. Upholstery ranges from premium cloth to full leather, depending on the trim. Rear passengers aren't left behind. The legroom is generous thanks to the long wheelbase, and headroom is surprisingly good for a fastback. A clever innovation is the foldable table between the rear seats, ideal for work on the go or even meals during long trips. USB-C charging ports, Rear air vents and map pockets add to the comfort for rear passengers. The rear seats also feature a 60/40 split and can fold flat to extend cargo capacity. Cargo space. Even with its coupe-style roofline, the Peugeot 408 doesn't skimp on cargo room. It offers 536 liters of trunk space with the rear seats up, expanding to over 1,600 liters with them folded down. The boot floor is wide and flat, making it easier to load bulkier items. The liftback style tailgate offers a wide opening and comes with electric operation and a foot swipe sensor for hands-free access. There are hidden compartments under the floor for storing tools, chargers for hybrid or emergency gear. Tie-down hooks, a 12V socket, and a detachable parcel shelf add practicality. Peugeot has thoughtfully designed the cargo space with travelers and families in mind. Whether it's grocery runs, luggage for a weekend trip, or bulky sports equipment, the 408 handles it with ease and style. Price. The 2025 Peugeot 408 starts around $32,000 for the base petrol model, with hybrid variants pushing up to $45,000 for the GT trim. Prices may vary slightly based on region and customization. For what it offers in terms of technology, style, and efficiency, the 408 remains a competitive option in its class, especially for buyers looking for a sporty sedan crossover experience. The 2025 Peugeot 408 is a bold step forward, blending aggressive design, cutting-edge tech, and practical versatility. Whether you're commuting or road tripping, it delivers a refined experience that punches above its weight. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Motos updates. Let us know in the comments what car you want us to review next, and hit that bell so you never miss an update.